ka kunhun Seng Perthei ka Congress hapo ka jingalam u Dr. Mukul Sangma kumundong lam khmat kalyang persha hapo ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hine kasngi kila Hiar jurip yaki jaka jingsumar yaki breu baya bit jingpang Covid-19 hapo ka West Jaiñtia Hills District rengkat ka jingsenran ki wei pat ki MLA Congress bakun thup yu HM Shangpliang UM Rapsang u Zenit Sangma bat u Shillong pale hakani ka jinglet jurip layadan lang u DHS Dr. Amanwar u DC ka West Jaiñtia Hills u Garrett LNS Dykes u Dr. K Ajar DMNHO West Jaiñtia Hills bat kiwe kilalet jurip ya ka Saint Aloysius Hospital Umulong kabalongkum ka Corona Center Community Isolation Center halat thalabo jowai kaba ansa pentre kamshen ka Community Isolation Center jangka Shillong Rador Barshnong kabalatre kam menta pada ka MCH Hospital hapanaliar kabalongkum ka Corona Hospital habakran shikilat pathai khubor u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaya thu ba kani ka jinglet jurip ka dei halor ka nong rem ban pentik na ba kilat ajing sumar ha ka jinga dei pat ka jingwan lung shop ka khlam Covid-19 ha kani ka sen ba ar kan long ka ba biang habaro district kan thop na do ki oxygen bat kiwe
we sanctioned that hospital. So you have the community health center. Every community health center is capable of having at least minimum 30 beds. It also has OT facilities. Okay. So when we are converting this maternity and child hospital into a COVID hospital, simultaneously all those existing infrastructure must be looked at. And they should be put to use. That's what I'm saying. Looking at the existing infrastructure and ramping all of them with the facilities required. Because our job is to job is to ensure that we don't lose for precious lives. We need to minimize. Maternity and child hospital is crucial because as a state also we have high maternal mortality rate. We have quite a high infant mortality rate. All these pull you down in your human development index. And then the state is seen as a very backward, with very poor health infrastructure facility, incapable of providing facility for pregnant women, for safe delivery, and even to save the newborn children. That's why all these facilities should be, when you are converting one maternity and child hospitals, what happens to the pregnant women? Where will they go? We have always encouraged mothers to come to the hospital and ensure that institutional delivery takes place. We have incentivized, we have a program to encourage these institutional deliveries. Now therefore, even during this pandemic, that work has to go on. To save one life, you cannot lose another life. Every life is precious. That's why I'm saying no measure in isolation is enough unless it is, planned in a more comprehensive manner to save every precious life, which includes other non-COVID patients. Even during normal time, you see the hospital beds are not enough. That means you have people who require healthcare facilities, even during normal time. So similarly, now also, when we deal with the challenges of COVID, we also should look at the other aspects of our responsibility of setting up. Facility is required to be created for the Jaiñtia Hills region in Joy, for Garwins region in Tura, and we cannot have any other option but to do it. And we'll be taking it up further after this. I wish all my beloved families whose patients are in different COVID care centers, community COVID care centers, institutional COVID care centers, and are some of them who are in hospitals. I wish all of them a speedy and complete recovery. And also, we convey our deepest condolences to all the family members who have lost their loved ones during our fight against this pandemic. We'll continue to see how we can draw the attention of the government and do good to all these deficiencies. Thank you.